Got on my boots, got on my best cologne. Girl, I can't wait to see what you got on. Yeah, whatever it is, I know it's hot. Baby, your smile's gonna hit the spot. As soon as my headlights shine on you, this town ain't gonna know what to do. We're tearing it up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be short and quick. Basically, I'm just gonna do an announcement and show you guys how to change a very simple light. It's in the rear on the tailgate of the truck. A lot of you guys know I really like lights. Always have ever since high school. Always do lights on my car. Off-road lights, lights on the car, inside the car, everywhere, in the trunk, in the engine bay, everywhere. We'll eventually be doing that to this, so you can call me the Rice or Duramax. I don't care. Either way. What I'm going to show you guys is, I'm going to show you how to do the license plate lights. Very simple. I actually have this one right here. When I turn on the truck, it starts to pulse. So, not sure why that is, which is a lie. I know exactly why that is. They were given me free when I bought my HID kit. So, they're super cheap lights. They are really bright, which is really awesome. However, they're pretty cheap. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and we'll do our announcement. It's not super flashy. It's not very suspenseful either, so announcement's very nice and simple. Actually, you know what? I'll just do that right now. I got an Instagram for the truck, so I'm going to start posting on there a lot more. I got a lot of pictures for it. Just basically an Instagram for it. If you guys like that type of stuff in your feed, I'll throw a link in there right here. We'll put that on there so you guys can go and check that out. So other than that, without further ado, I'm going to show you how to throw these lights on, and I'm going to show you, I guess, basically what's happening with mine. So I'm going to throw that on there and get started. Alright guys, so you might not be able to hear me talk, but let's do remote car start here. So when these lights, it's not showing up very well on camera, but as you can see, it's pulsing a little bit. This one just started doing it a little bit worse. Let's see if we get both of them in the picture. It doesn't look like it, but there you go. That's a good video. So either way, shut this off so you guys can hear me. I'm going to show you guys how to replace those. It's really simple. Basically all you have to do is just take it with your hand, pull it out. She comes right out, right there. You spin this thing right here. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. Just spins right out. Bulb goes in there, and this is why they're doing that. Like I said, they were very cheap. Get this thing to focus. There we go. That focuses a lot better. So as you can see, they're burnt. Like I said, they're really cheap. I got like 6 of them because I bought 3 different packs: fogs, HIDs, and LEDs. They are super bright, but like I said, they're burning. So I'm not sure why that is. I'm just assuming that's just because they're cheap. So I'm gonna throw these in there real quick. These lights were like $15. Saw a guy on Facebook who had them, and my God, they were really bright. So we're gonna throw those in there. Basically all you have to do is this spot right here goes into your plug, which my plug looks burnt too. Slides right in the hole, just like the factory one. You put this right in there, put it right on there, faces your light, and they're super bright. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison because I still have the other one in right now, the other LED that burned. So we'll do a side-by-side comparison real quick. It's kind of cloudy out, so they'll be a little bit bright, but not too bad. And then I'll do a nighttime video with it, with these things lit up. So well, I don't know if you can see that, but the left side does actually look a lot brighter, especially in the daylight. And you can see that it's not pulsing. like that one is. Well, it's not pulsing on the video. I'm not sure why it does that, but either way, we'll get both of them changed. Alright guys, check this out. So we got this one. It's not so bad. But this one, get this thing to focus in a little bit. There we go. Burnt, really burnt. Probably from the incandescents that went in there when I bought the truck. They were burned out, that's why I just threw those in there. Got them for free, so it's not like it was hurting anything. So let's see what these things look like. Dang, those are bright. I can't wait to see these at night. So either way, another good side note, changed that oil about 2 or 3 weeks ago. See, every time I fire her up, there's absolutely no smoke. She used to smoke just a little bit, so really happy with that. So I would definitely give Hot Shot Secrets a good prop. So either way, I'll wait a couple hours and I'll get yourself I'll get a video of this thing when it's on at nighttime so we can see it a lot better. So other than that, we're all set with these. Well guys, this wraps up another video. Like I said, I just want to do something quick and simple. Those lights are really cheap. Like I said, they're $10, $15. They're from Zip Motos. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Not really sure, but either way. I also want to let you guys know that I do have an Instagram now. So it's at Extraordinary Duramax. So make sure you look me up on that. I usually post a lot of pictures and videos on that before I do to my channel. Plus I'll have announcements for the channel as well on there. Other than that, why don't you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.